friend. My name is Sabah H. I am from 3rd standard. My class teacher name is Sufia ma'am. My school name is JJ Convent. My topic is world country name: Austria, Azerbaijan, Australia, Afghanistan, Algeria, Albania, Andorra, Angola, Argentina, Armenia, Burma, Brazil, Bolivia, Bhutan, Benin, Belgium, Belarus, Bangladesh, Bahrain, Bahamas, Botswana, Burundi, Bosnia, Brunei, Bulgaria, Barbados, Cambodia, Chile, Congo, Southern African Republic, Denmark, Dominica, El Salvador, Ecuador, Eritrea, Ethiopia, Estonia, Egypt, Finland, France, Fiji, Gambia, Gabon, Germany, Greece, Greenland, Guatemala, Ghana, Georgia, Haiti, Hong Kong, Honduras, Italy, Iceland, Iran, Ireland, India, Israel, Indonesia, Iraq, Jordan, Japan, Jamaica, Kenya, Kuwait, Kazakhstan, Lesotho, Libya, Lebanon, Latvia, Laos, Monaco, Maldives, Micronesia, Mongolia, Mexico, Mauritius, Mauritania, Mali, Madagascar, Malawi, Malaysia, Maldives, Mozambique, Morocco, North Korea, Namibia, Nauru, Nepal, Nicaragua, Nigeria, Norway, Oman, Pakistan, Panama, Papua New Guinea, Peru, Philippines, Poland, Portugal, Puerto Rico, Qatar, Romania, Russia, Rwanda, Slovenia, Iceland, Senegal, Singapore, Slovakia, Somalia, South Africa, Spain, Sri Lanka, Sudan, Suriname, Sweden, Syria, Saint Lucia, San Marino, Saudi Arabia, South Korea, Taiwan, Tajikistan, Thailand, Togo, Tunisia, Turkey, Turkmenistan, United Kingdom, United Arab Emirates, Uzbekistan, Uruguay, United States of America, Ukraine, Uganda, Vatican City, Venezuela, Vietnam, Yugoslavia, Yemen, Zimbabwe, Zambia. Thank you, all of you.